Hey there, my friends. Welcome aboard 737 cockpit. Grab your coffee, sit back, and let's wake this bird up from a cold and dark state. Don't worry, it sounds serious, but we'll make it fun. First, we turn on the battery switch and guard it. Then switch standby power to auto position and guard it. To have ground power, we press ground services in the AV tab and then press GP connect. Here we go. We have the GPU ground power unit. Return to our cockpit, turn on the GPU. Then we make sure the parking brake is on with the red light, throttle is idle, landing gear switch is down with the 3 green lights. Okay, make a fire test. Turn this knob to the left, see the red light, turn it to the right, see the red light and hear the bells. We move now to IRS section. We turn these 2 knobs to nav position. IRS stands for Inertial Reference System. To have the IRS position from the FMC initial reference page, in the scratch pad we type the IQ 4 letters representing the airport at which we are now. K S F O, and place it here. Then copy the GPS coordinates and paste it to set IRS position. Aligning will take about 7 minutes. To know how much is remaining, 6 minutes. Okay, then we turn on the yaw damper, turn emergency landing lights to armed position and guard its switch. No smoking signs to on. Packs to auto. Then to start the APU, turn on the aft fuel pump, left one, and then turn on the APU switch to on position, then to start position, keeping your pressing for 2 or 3 seconds and leaving it. Watch the EGT rise to about 8, then return and settles at about 4. EGT is the exhaust gas temperature. We will switch APU generator as soon as we see the blue light in this indicator telling us that the APU generator is ready, and we can switch it on. See, the lights will turn on. Now switch on the APU generator. Then turn the APU bleed on. Now we don't need the ground power, so we turn it off and GPU to be disconnected. Turn on Windows heat and turn on electric and hydraulic pumps. We will start by engine number 2. But before starting, we should turn the packs off, then turn on all the fuel pumps and go to start switch of engine number 2, turn it to ground. Watch, N2 is rising. As soon as it reaches 25%, we move the fuel lever 2 to idle. Now it is 16, 17, 18, 19, see, 23, 24, 25. Oh, move it to idle. Then repeat the same procedure for engine number 1. Turn engine number 1 switch to ground and watch, N2 is rising. As soon as it reaches 25, we move this fuel lever number 1 to idle. Here we go. We can turn these two knobs to continue. And of course, it's time now to turn on the engine generators. APU generators will be disconnected automatically, and we turn on the engine bleed. We can turn off APU bleed normally, turn off APU. Then we should turn back switches to auto position again. Then we may enter the pressurization data. Flight altitude, and landing altitude of the destination airport. Now we may turn on probe heat. Then turn auto brake to RTO. Put the flaps as needed, 5 or 10 degrees, which is suitable for the takeoff. And there you go, our 737 is alive and ready for taxi. That's it for today, my friends. We just brought our 737 from cold and dark to fully alive and ready for takeoff. I hope you enjoyed this little cockpit adventure as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on more flights. We'll have plenty of fun together, and maybe a few more cockpit jokes along the way. Thanks for flying with me, and see you next time. Bye bye.